Our involvement with Book Belong Pikinini is something that we've taken on with great passion and genuine belief. The imparting of knowledge and literacy skills to children in Papua New Guinea we see as an enormous opportunity to pay back to the community, to add real value to the family life, to also increase the independence, the confidence and the sustainability of the economy and society going forward.
How are you all today?
We are very good.
We see this country as a country of enormous opportunity, enormous potential. But like everything, the future is with the children. And gaining acceptance and passion for literacy and reading leads to knowledge, which leads to future growth and sustainability of this wonderful part of the world. When children have knowledge, their self-esteem, their confidence and their success both now and in the future is a given. The most important and intangible benefit is that the children ultimately teach the adults. The family unit, and in this case, across many aspects of Papua New Guinea society, the village gains as a whole because of the increased level of literacy. I see that the genuine and sustainable approach that Book Belong Pikinini has with its corporate sponsors and partners, government and non-government, right across the country. It is genuine, and because it is genuine, the support and the leadership and the cause is easily understood and quickly adopted.
I am on the swing.
We're absolutely convinced that Book Belong Pikinini is the right recipe for not only today, but for future generations of Papua New Guineans. We support it, we do it enthusiastically and genuinely. We think it is one of the simplest recipes for success in today's society. We are true believers.